guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a month since my last YouTube video, but this is a different one. This is a DIY, but not with a clothes test. This is a DIY that I have in my room. So I've had these white chest of drawers as long as I can remember, but like since my room has been updated, so I have tags from clothes and stuff like that over the years, and I didn't know what to do with them. I've got this Justin Bieber fan pack, as you see here. It's a Changes album Justin Bieber fan pack, and they were transparent custom tattoos, and I'm not that type of person to put fake tattoos on my arms or anywhere around my body, because I'm not that type of person anymore. So I just said, why not put them on the chest of drawers? So I have some help with me. This is Anne-Marie, but she's not going to show her face. So she might reveal herself in future videos, but at the moment she's not going to do that. So, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to click that big red subscribe button right there down below so you don't miss my videos every weekend. And also as well, it'd be much appreciated if you could hit that bell right there so it will notify you when my videos are uploaded. And yeah, let's get on with the video.
moments later.